We're going to start this up and just show it running. Because the brakes don't work safely, we're not going to do a drive video, but we will show it starting and running. And to show it back there's no smoke. It's wet engine, so it's sounding good. It's not smoking. Got the normal sounds of an MG, no excessive clatter or noise. It's running decently. And we are told that this was recently rebuilt, recent in terms of years, not 20 years ago.